Hi everybody, here's my worked solution to the two circuits that someone posted on the WhatsApp group from a previous test question. I've redrawn the circuit here, and the question asks you to find V1, I1 and I in the two circuits. So in this circuit, if you just apply Kirchhoff's voltage law going around the loop, starting at this point and going around clockwise, then you get minus 12 volts. Because it's minus 12 volts and we write down the sign that we get to first, minus 2 volts plus V1 plus 10 volts, and that all has to be equal to 0. So we're assuming a polarity of the 10 volts as I've just indicated on the drawing, and that would give you 10 volts plus V1 plus 10 volts equals 0. So therefore V1 is equal to minus 20 volts. You can see from the drawing that I1 is equal to I, and we can calculate I1 using Ohm's law. So by Ohm's law, at the 10 ohm resistor, we've got I1 equals 10 volts divided by 10 ohms, so it's equal to 1 amp. And so therefore I is also equal to 1 amp. And we can see therefore that in fact the current source, since the current is flowing from a higher, it's flowing actually, so it looks like this, 20 volts. It's flowing from the lower voltage to the higher voltage. So in fact, the voltage looks like this, 20 volts. And the polarity looks like this, because it's V1 is minus 20 volts. So for the current source, you can see that the current I of 1 amp is flowing from the lower voltage to the higher voltage, so the current source is supplying power.